Good morning. We are Robotics C. My name is Rafael, and now I'm going to explain you about the last project of digital systems, and it talks about full adder. This full adder has three inputs, and for this reason, we have two outputs, and it's why because when we zoom to 3 bits, sometimes we will need 2 bits. It works something like that. For example, when we have the input A and the input B, first the three inputs are a first adding. The second input is the adding, and another input is the carry. And the outputs are an S and a carry output. Okay, we have 1 plus 1 is 0, and we have a 0 like as a carry, so the result of the sum will be 0 and also the carry. Another example, here we have in the input A 0 and the input B 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 we have a 0 and we will carry 1. It's easy. After that we get the Boolean expression, only taking the values of 1 in the output. So we have the first output that is S. For example, in this case, we just take the values of 1. This is the original expression, and after all the operation we have a final expression. It's the same with the second output. This is the original expression, and this is the final expression. Now we will show you some examples with a truth table. The first example is, suppose that we have 0, 0, 0. So the outputs would be 0 and 0, and you can see here we have the three inputs like 0. Another example is when we have 0, 1 and 1. 0, 1 and 1. You can see that just the carry output will turn on here. Another example is when we have 1 and 0. Also the output carry will be 1, and when we have 0, 0 and 1, only the output S will be 1, and when the three outputs are 1, the two outputs will be 1.
Good morning, my name is Luis, and this is the last circuit of digital system. And these circuits have 3 chips, and the first chip is a SOR, the second is a AND, and the last one is a OR. And there are 2 LEDs and 5 resistance. This is the resistance of 330 and in each LED. So in the part of the deep switch is put with a voltage, and the voltage is 5. And on the top, as you can see on the top, and this introduced with the another part of the protoboard and a ground by a resistance of 330 again. There are interested in this, and we following this diagram to connect this. And this is the SOR and OR, and this is the input, and this one is the output with SS. Well, in this example, we own all ABC, and ABC is the input. So in this example, we own O's, and the outputs, all outputs is 1. And so, thank you for your attention, and thank you.
Conclusion, we can say the application of this kind of circuit, and you can find this in the computers, in the arithmetic logic units, and because the arithmetic operations are very important for the computer. Thank you very much.